BT Smart Hub Setup Guide. First, connect the broadband cable. Plug the gray broadband cable into the broadband port on the back of the BT Smart Hub. Connect the other end to your primary phone socket or OpenReach socket. If your socket requires a microfilter, connect the broadband cable to the modem side of the filter. Step 2. Power on the hub. Connect the power adapter to the hub. Plug it into a wall outlet, then press the power button. Wait about 3 to 5 minutes for the hub to start. The hub is ready when the front light turns solid blue. Step 3. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and the password on the sticker on the back of the hub. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings, select your BT network, and then enter the Wi-Fi password exactly as shown on the hub. You can also scan the QR code on supported Smart Hub models for a quicker connection. Step 4. Complete Smart Setup. After connecting to Wi-Fi, open any web browser. BT Smart Setup page may appear automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions or select Start Browsing if you want to skip to the setup wizard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.